Who's ready for super easy homemade ice cream? Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, where today life is just a bowl of cherries. On today's menu, we have cherry nut ice cream from 1956's Cooling Dishes for Hot Weather, which is incredibly easy to make and requires no special equipment. But first, it's cocktail time! We're sticking with the cherry theme for today's lovely libation, the Cherry Blossom Cocktail from 1947's Bartender's Guide by Trader Vic. To make it, all you do is combine 3/4 of an ounce of cognac, 3/4 of an ounce cherry brandy, 1/2 teaspoon curacao, 1/2 teaspoon grenadine, and 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Grab your cocktail and let's head into the kitchen to make some ice cream. Start by combining 6 ounces of mini marshmallows and 3 tablespoons lemon juice in a double boiler over hot water. Stir until marshmallows are melted, then allow to cool. Combine with 1 cup chilled evaporated milk, 1 cup chopped cherries, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, the zest of 1 lemon, and 1 cup whipping cream beaten until soft peaks have formed. Freeze until mushy, about 45 minutes. Beat until smooth and freeze until firm. Don't forget the cherry on top! Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us Monday for a visit from Cousin Glendora and Thursday for another Liquored Up Live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.